I use ChatGPT and Canva to come up with some post ideas for Instagram Reels the other day, and I wanted to share that with everybody. So the template link is available for you to use this here and change it to your standards. You can change the background picture, you can change the obviously the name of this. You could have it be your @ for Instagram or TikTok or wherever you're going to be using it, or if you have a website, use it for that, or whatever you like. And then here you can change the fonts, you can change the title, you can change it all. But basically I took my stuff from ChatGPT over to here and I popped them in and I gave it a special prompt over there, and these are the ones that it came up with for somebody that is having a spiritual business mentoring, business. And I will show you exactly what I did over there with ChatGPT to come up with these 10 different ideas. I think I posted in like 10 viral Instagram Reel ideas, but I will show you. You can word it in any way that you need to word it for your business. So let's go look at that. Okay, so let's show you the part where we use ChatGPT. I have it saved in here. So this is the prompt I just gave it now. Act as a social media marketing expert and come up with 10 viral Instagram Reels for a spiritual business mentor. Boop. Morning rituals, transformation, powerful affirmations, quick meditation, manifestation, Q&A session, gratitude challenge, energy clearing, success stories, weekly wisdom. There you go. So what I did then was go, thank you very much, and I copy that, and then you can take that over to your little docs and make a new doc, and then that way it will be kind of easy for you to separate everything. Boop, and then from here I could, I don't even have to use all of them. I could just find the one that resonates the most for me and be like, okay, I'm going to take that part of it, and then I'm going to go over to Canva, which is right here, and I made a template to share with everybody already, but what I would do there is like, boop. So the one that I did before was like, give me 10 viral ideas for, Instagram, but you can do that for anywhere. And then what I did here was I would copy and paste the information, but there's plenty of these down here. I found one that was like, okay, like a Instagram Reels. Usually they're like right there for me, but if they're not, you can go up here and be like Instagram Reel. Instagram Reel. Boop. And then they'll show you like different ones. So you could choose the one that feels good for you. I don't even remember which one I ended up I know it was very similar to this, but I clicked on it. It looked very much like this. So I took this part and I changed the title. I took this part, changed that, and then I spaced things out because when ChatGPT gave it to me, it wasn't all perfectly spaced out, but then I spaced it out. I changed this from at a really great site to divineessential.com, and I changed the background picture because I think the background picture on the one that I chose was like a paid one. So I didn't want that to be like a block for anybody. So what I could do when I want to do that is hit replace and go to the photos, and they're going to show me different photos, or I can go to backgrounds, and then you can search the backgrounds too. You can be like, I want a stars one, and it will show you all the different ones. You can be like, oh, look at that, ooh, yeah, right? If you don't like it, you just go back. But that's what I did, and I took all 10 ideas and made that a template, so hopefully that will help you guys to come up with some ideas for your Instagram. In Namaste.